Tip 1. Egg stuffed tomatoes. The first cooking tip I'm sharing with you today is a super simple dish that's absolutely packed with flavor. First, I prepared 3 large tomatoes. I cut off the tops of the tomatoes. I usually choose the ones that are round and a little firm because they hold their shape better when baked. Now, use a small knife to make a small incision inside. Be careful, this step is very important in creating a beautiful shape for our amazing dish. Okay, next we use a spoon to scoop out all the seeds and juice inside, creating beautiful tomato cups. I'm always sharing helpful tips and delicious recipes with you all, and I really appreciate your support. Every like and every time you subscribe motivates me to keep going and work even harder to bring you better, more valuable content. After removing all the pulp and juice, set them aside. Next, finely chop some green onions. And add a little to the bottom of each tomato to boost the aroma. Then cut the mozzarella into small pieces and place them inside each tomato when baked. The cheese melts and gives a light, creamy richness. Finally, crack an egg into each tomato, letting it sit neatly inside the hollowed-out center. At this point, you can already see the dish coming together. Super simple, but really fun to look at, and perfect for a healthy breakfast or a light snack. Next, I prepare a clean baking tray and drizzle a little olive oil over the surface. Then I use a brush to spread it evenly, making sure there's a thin, even coating. The olive oil helps prevent sticking, and it also helps everything roast up nicely with a light golden finish without sticking to the tray. A small tip I like to use is keeping the tomato tops I cut off earlier and placing them on the tray as little bases. Then I place each tomato on top. This way, they stay upright while baking and won't tip over or fall to the side. I start by seasoning each egg with a pinch of salt. And pepper to create a light base flavor. Don't forget to add a bit of green onions for that fresh pop of color. It really makes the dish look more appealing. Then, I place a small slice of butter into each one as it bakes. The butter melts and slowly seeps into the eggs and tomatoes, adding a rich, satisfying taste. Finally, I grate some cheese and sprinkle it evenly on top. I usually keep it light just enough so that when it bakes, the cheese melts into a thin golden layer that's rich but not greasy, while also making the dish look even more delicious. Next, I place the tray in the preheated oven. and bake at 190 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Once they've been baked at the right temperature and for the right amount of time, you'll see the tomatoes turn a beautiful golden brown. Now it's time to take them out of the oven. The results are truly perfect. If you're happy with these roasted tomatoes, please give my video a like today. Now I'll cut it open. You can see the soft, runny egg inside, the rich melted cheese, and the tomatoes still retaining their juiciness. It all comes together to create a very simple dish, but every time I eat it, it feels like I'm savoring a meal at a 5-star restaurant. Tip 2. Nutritious tomato egg soup. Next, I prepare 3 eggs, crack them into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. And pepper. And then stir until the eggs are completely beaten. I'm going to use the chopped tomato cores from earlier. No need to chop them too finely, since they're already soft and will break down easily when cooked. I'll slice 2 more tomatoes to make the dish heartier, so there's enough for more people to share. I turn on the stove, add a little vegetable oil to the pan, then pour in the tomatoes and sauté for about 2 to 3 minutes until they soften and start to release their juices. This step gives the soup a naturally mild tartness, making it lighter and less cloying. Then I add a little green onion to enhance the aroma. Next, I pour about 200 milliliters of chicken broth into the pan and heat it until the mixture begins to warm up. In a small bowl, I mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with about 200 milliliters of water. Stirring until it's smooth. When the tomato mixture is simmering gently, I pour in the cornstarch mixture. This gives the soup a light thickness, making it smoother to eat. When the water starts to simmer, I slowly pour in the eggs. While gently stirring so they form thin, white and yellow strands that intertwine with the red of the tomatoes, creating a truly beautiful sight. Finally, I season it with salt and pepper to taste. Sprinkle on some green onions. And ladle it into a bowl. So today, we've worked together to complete 2 incredibly simple recipes, using eggs and tomatoes, yet they're absolutely delicious. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.